Here's a refresher video on multiplication. Remember when we were multiplying multi-digit numbers, we would go ahead and split those numbers up based on their place value. So for example, 46 becomes 40 plus 6, and 25 becomes 20 plus 5. Then remember we had to multiply anything in this first parentheses times every number in the second parentheses. We'd frequently draw arrows to help us out with that. So first up, what I would need to do is take 40 times 20. Okay, now I need to multiply the 40 times 5. All right, next up, I've done 40 times everything in this other parentheses. I can now move on to the 6. 6 times 20, and then I have 6 times 5. Now I want to remind you, this is a strategy that most of you chose. Some of you chose the box method, which is fine, and some of you chose the traditional method, which is also fine. If you want me to make a refresher video on any of those methods, just please let me know. All right, so first up I have 40 times 20. I'm going to look at my multiplication chart to see what 4 times 2 is. 4 times 2 is 8. So 4 times 2 is 8, and then I've got to add 2 zeros. All right, next I have 40 times 5, so I'm going to look at my multiplication chart. What's 4 times 5? And it is 20. So I'm going to write a 20 with one more 0. If you notice, I'm lining up my numbers based on place value as I go. Now I have 6 times 20. 6 times 2 is 12. So I have a 12 with a 0. And last I have 6 times 5. So 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is 30. Now I just have to add all of my digits. A bunch of zeros added together makes 0. 3 plus 2 makes 5. 8 plus 2 is 10. Plus one more is 11. So my answer to 46 times 25 is 1,150. Let me know if you would like me to make another example for you.